Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh. And today we are going to discussing about how to install K6 Studio and how we can understand the K6 Studio. Okay. For this, I'm going to opening Chrome browser. Okay. And here we'll search for K6 Studio. Okay. It is coming for difference. Okay. K6 documentation. Sorry. And here we can able to go for documentation location. Okay, and here we have for K6 Studio also installation location, and here there is a Mac and Windows, and this we have seen, and downloading for exe also we have seen, and here is the K6. Okay, while installation time also I have told you that K6 another one is there. Okay, here installation K6 Studio is there, and K6 installation document also there. Okay, both the things are there. If you come to here, it can see before you begin install the Google Chrome in your computer. Okay, Chrome is a mandatory to the using, and Windows a release version here will be there. Okay, Linux here and Mac for that. Okay, updated versions you can able to see for that. Okay, and here I'm going to go for here, and installation document also they are provided how to do and all everything. Okay, and once you coming to the GitHub location, and here if you scroll down there are couple of versions are presented for here. Okay, to downloading for that. And if you see right in the down also there is a full version and raw and setup exe. Okay, this is the window based exe and remaining for Linux and Mac. Okay, now I'm going to downloading for this particular exe. Now it will download. Okay, manually you can see the documentation also provided here. Step by step you can able to see here. They are providing for instead of introduction about that open source desktop application and how this open source is working, and after you recording that how it will be a JavaScript is exporting and all they are providing. Okay, their main three concepts will be there. One is recorder and another one is generator and final one is validator. Okay, based upon these three only this K6 is performing, K6 Studio is performing. Downloading is completed and we are going for download location and doing for installation. Okay, once you click on double click. Okay, it will take sometimes. Okay, mine is taking time. Doing an install for the checking startup for the contact author. Why it is not allowing? Actually, it is not allowing my software. Actually, it is taking couple of time. Okay, but it will load. Wait some time. I'll hold some time because it is taking more time. Oh, it is open. Finally, sorry. You can allow. Okay, see nothing. There is no much. Okay, once you allow the some. Okay, automatically it will allow for everything, and we can able to see all the things. Okay, there is no next button. Just we can able to install it your location. Just double click on that particular exe. It will say it will take some time actually. Okay, then it will generate. Okay, if you see understanding purpose. Okay, we already told that there is a three components. Okay, one is recorder and generator and validator. Recorder will record that entire script from the HRM file. when you create a start recording, the application will use the proxy recording and launches the instead of Google Chrome. Okay, it will by use default, it will choose a Google Chrome. Okay, records the terrific, the file actions and everything. It will take the protocol level request and HTTP everything from the browser network area. Once it is generated, we are going to like once we record it and then generating that entire task. Okay, once it is we are going to do and it will take the interface and it will uses the parameterization and everything. Okay, then we need to do for validation of that particular things. Okay, if you see here, recorder is presented and generator and validator, and here also same. Here it is there. You can click here to record the section, and also there is a plus icon to click for new record. And you can see the test script generation also we have for another new script generation purpose. You can able to use this particular item. Okay. You can click right click and three dots. You can delete or rename or open context folder. You can create a folder and you can able to delete as well. Okay. And here is the scripting it will create. Okay. Any script you are going to create the validation, those things it will be comes under this. Data files, like if you are going to use for CSV file or Excel file, JSON file, those files you can able to keep it here. Okay. And once you click, this is the home button. Or if you are in any other location, you can click this one. It will by default come to that particular location. Okay. Here you can able to search for the file. This particular one, if you click, it will collapse. If you click, it will expand those things. Okay. And also you can see here the file. You can click and exit that entire exe, or you can edit, undo, or copy or paste anything, and you can able to view that actual size or zoom in, zoom out, and tagging the full screen and the window minimizing, zooming and everything, and you can able to get the documentation of that particular things. Okay. And apart from this, you can see annotations is presented, and this is the settings actually main here. You can able to proxy in your maybe in your application, like in your application or your company application required for some proxy. Those proxy portal you have to mention here. Okay. In recording section, you can default path if you want to provide, you can provide that Chrome exe locations and all. Okay. Terminations and appreciation, like which is now system coloring it is taking. If you want dark, you can use the dark. Light color, you can use the light color. If you use the dark color and save this one, you can see dark color comes now. You can able to see dark colors. Okay. And it will save, and you can, if you don't like it, you can go ahead application and here light color, system color, whatever you want. Logs is by default a system generated. If you are using anything that logs, it comes and sit here. Okay. This is a simple understanding about our K6 Studio. Okay. And next video session time, we can record that particular file and we can able to generate the test and we can able to validate this. Okay. We'll see these three options into the next video session time. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.